Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the ant, a little creation you have observed in your life when you were a child, or you can also see the ant in your life. So friends, we can learn a lot from these ants. Friends, first the thing is that you will observe that they are always in hurry. If you try to block their pathway, if you try to stop them, they will not stop. They will find another way in their life. They are always in a hurry, they are in queue in a sequence, and they are always in a hurry and they always do the work. So this is the thing that friends we can learn from them, from this small little creation, that we should also be in our hurry. The time is passing on, the clock is passing, so we should take the advantage of the time, and we should do the things. We should not ignore, we should not waste the time in our life. If you try to stop them, they will find another way. So you should also be like them. If someone is trying to stop you, block your way, you should find another way and you should escape from them. So escape from that situation, escape from that difficulty. So this is the thing that friends we should learn from them. The other thing is that friends, we should not procrastinate. Unfortunately, we have a bad habit of procrastination. We are not eagerly, we are not in hurry, we are not have promptness. We always make the things lately. If I have to make a video, I will procrastinate it. I will say to myself that I will make the video tomorrow. So when you will make the video tomorrow, you will lose that precious today, your precious time. So friends, in our life, we should also be promptness. Should show promptness. We should also be hurry. We should consider the time a very important thing. Every second matters, and every second can change your life. Okay, friends. And a third and last thing is that if you observe the things in ants, you will see that they always try to gather some food for winter. In winter they can't survive, so they are always in hurry and they try to gather the food to survive. So they think winter in the summer. Okay, and when the winter comes, they think summer in the winter, that we have food and we have to manage it, and in the summer we will again come out and we will again gather the food and live our life. So this is the thing that we should also think positive in negative situation. When you are in a negative situation, in a hurdles, you think positive. And when you in a positive situation think negative, means you have to think that you have the negative situation might also come. You should also prepare for them. So you should take the advantage of that positive situation, that happiness, that achievements, and try to become prepared in your mind. So this is the thing that we should learn. And the thing is that the optimist learn opportunity from every difficulty, and the pessimist takes difficulty in every opportunity. It means that you should be, positive. And thing is that sometimes it happens that the opportunity is less than difficulty. Sometimes you seem it is more like difficulty and less like opportunity. So in this case, you have to struggle, you have to work hard, and the time will come then when it seems like more opportunity and less difficulty. So it is the cycle, friends. Positive, negative, negative, positive, opportunity and difficulty. When you work hard with consistency and persistency, you will get the positive outputs, positive results. So this is the things that, friend, we should not lose hope, and we should think that if it is seems like more difficult, you have to cope it, you have to tackle, and after some time it will seem like an opportunity and less difficulty. I will like to quote example, like in some cities, in some states, there were tyranny, there were a lot of you can say that dictatorship like that. But after a long time, when they struggle hard, that the tyranny and the you can say that dictatorship and the hurdles of the states removed, and there were liberty and there were freedom, there were economic progress. So this is the thing. When the tyranny was high at a high peak and the freedom was low, and after a struggle, after work hard, the freedom was at high peak, and the tyranny and the hurdles and the economic low and down was become low. So this is the thing that you should take the advantage of the positive thing. When you get freedom, liberty, and you get the economic progress, you should take the benefit and enjoy these positives and be prepared for the negative consequence. So this is the thing that person should always be in a progress, in always in a work. He always try to work hard and try to spend the time in a precious way and try to make the time more productive and fertile, which will help in his life. So this is all from my side, friends. Hope you will learn something from that video. Thanks for watching and listening. Take care of yourself. Till then, friends. Goodbye.